Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a very giant parcel and it's too big. It is way too big that I cannot even put it on my table. You can see the difference by comparing it with my hand. So that's why it's on the floor and we are doing this video on the floor. So I bought this from Yogi Instinct. So thank you Yogi, thank you for helping me out on this. I think you already know what it contains. So I'm not gonna explain it. So let's not waste any more further time and let's open it right away. So I have opened the box. Let me remove this plastic and you can see that we have our Super King set. Yes guys, it's gigantic and it's a Super King set. And let me remove this final wrap as well. Okay, so now you can see it is big guys and it looks amazing. So slowly we're gonna open it and we're gonna take a look what it contains, then we're gonna talk about it. So we are ready to take out the final curtain and here we go. Here we got our clear stadium. You can see it looks amazing guys. So the clear stadiums are a bit rare to find. So here we have one clear stadium and as you know we got in Super King set. Now and let's see what we got here. So let me cut the tape. Let me open and let's see what we have here. So we got a launcher. You can see a repainted launcher. So these launchers are also hard to find. So yes, it's a repainted red version. Let's see what else we have here. So we got another launcher. Again a repainted version. So we got a right spin and a left spin launcher. So both would be pretty hard to find. So pretty good launcher. I guess they might be rare. And we got two ripcords for the launcher obviously. Then here we got King Helios Zone 1B. And now we got the clips for stadium. Then here we got Hyperion. So the last thing we have here is the sticker sheets and documentation. This is all the stuff we get in here. So let me summarize for you. So here we got a stadium clips. Then we got Helios and Hyperion, obviously repainted version. So they are pretty limited edition I would say. Then we got their stickers etc. And we got these custom limited edition launchers. And obviously we got two ripcords. So this is all the stuff we get in this Super King set, which is pretty amazing. And let me take this stadium inside and we gonna test it out. So now we got the stadium in and you can see we have a stadium here. So I'm gonna remove this plastic wrap and take out the stadium and let's take a look at the stadium. We got the stadium right here and it looks great guys. I mean, to believe it you have to see it with your own eyes. I mean, it is that clear and it is like very transparent. I'm gonna show you by a demonstration like how clear it is. So to show you the transparency, I'm gonna put this documentation at the bottom and let's take a look guys. Let's take a moment to appreciate how clear it is. It is too transparent. You can see it looks like the document is lying on the stadium, not below. And we got here the stadium clips as well. Now I'm gonna cut down the plastic to get the clips out. So we got all the clips here. So I got all the clips here for the stadium. So I'm gonna attach these clips one by one to each side of the stadium and we will be good to go. So we have attached all three clips to the stadium and we are good to go. So now this is the time to put this guy up to the test and let's try some battles in it. And let's see how it turns out for us. So I'm gonna launch few bays to check this out. And the very first is Jet Vibron. Then I'm gonna launch Variant Lucifer ASAP. So I don't know why, but Variant Lucifer is on attack. I think the stadium is helping him out. So let's give it another shot. And this time I'm gonna launch Lucifer first. Then quickly I'm gonna launch Jet Vibron as well. And in the background you can see the Lucifer is going pretty darn crazy. Well, it lost a lot of spin and I guess things are good for Vibron. I'm gonna launch Jet Vibron, and quickly I'm gonna again launch Lucifer the End, the Big Daddy, and let's see how this goes. So looks like Vibron is holding its ground and the Big Daddy ran out of the spin. So that's a pretty neat win for Jet Vibron. Now I'm gonna try some DB stuff in here. So I'm gonna launch Cyclone Belial, and quickly I'm gonna launch my almost perfect Belial. So Cyclone Belial is spinning, and my almost perfect Belial is also giving a lot of spin, a lot of attacks. So let's see who is the victor. I got a good feeling about this, and yes, our almost perfect Belial has won. So that was a pretty good battle. Let's give it another shot, and here we go again. And this time looks like Cyclone Belial got a serious stable spin, a lot of speed, but our perfect Belial isn't much less. So let's see how this battle goes. Oh my god, this is gonna be the close one, but our almost perfect Belial was able to pull a win again. Now I'm gonna do a battle between Archer Hercules and a Slash Joker. So quickly I'm gonna launch Archer Hercules, then I'm gonna launch Slash Joker, and let's see how this battle goes. So the battle looks amazing. I really have no idea which bay is gonna win. Obviously Joker is a GT bay, Archer Hercules is a turbo bay, but still Archer is pretty amazing, and yes, that's why it has won. And now I'm gonna do another battle between Rising Ragnarok and Kreese Satan. So quickly I'm gonna launch Rising Ragnarok, then I'm gonna launch Kreese Satan. And the Kreese Satan is on attack, guys. Let's see if Rising Ragnarok is able to keep its spin. And yes guys, it has won with a worst finish. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts about it in comment section. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.